Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a Snowflake White Pearl Mica 2017 Mazda CX-5 Sport, stock number 17M197. This is a courtesy vehicle that is very lightly used by our service department, so here you're going to get great low mileage along with a great low price. Coming across the hood, you can see this is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim that is wrapped in a Yokohama Geolander tire. Inside you have a black cloth upholstery which is in fantastic condition. There's seating for 2 in the front row and you have seating for 3 in the second row, making this a 5-passenger CX-5. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There is a dual exhaust here. You've also got a backup camera. Inside of the trunk is very clean. That second row seating does fold down into a 40-20-40 split, so that'll give you some extra space when needed. And the reason that I'm showing you this Mazda today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There are carpeted floor mats. Stepping inside to the left of the steering wheel here, you have your audio controls, and on the right-hand side, you've got cruise control buttons. There is a push-button start here. We'll go ahead and start that up. Coming over to the center, you've got a great display screen here. You do have capabilities for navigation. This is where your backup camera will display. Take a quick look at the home screen here. You can see your AM/FM radio controls as well as some additional application controls. Coming down underneath of that, you have your climate controls. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission with a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, which in highway mileage gets you around 29 miles per gallon. Coming down further, you do have some additional audio and navigation controls. If you'd like to get more information on this Mazda or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com. We will also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.